Hi, this is Jeff Thrasher with Gravity Sketch. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your GS-created design in a PNG format directly from your workspace in LandingPad, so you can continue processing your design in Photoshop and or Procreate. You can find all of the assets used in this video on LandingPad. Okay, let's open up the Apparel folder. In this video, let's choose the tech jacket. Okay, cool. Got the jacket up. The upper right-hand corner are the camera angle and viewing controls. In the lower right corner, you will find the camera capture settings. While up here to the top left corner will be the file adjustments, such as layers, file export formats, and environment controls. I'm going to reduce the shadows a little bit to show off the surfacing better. And now I'm using the camera controls to give me a good centered point of rotation around my sketch. You can navigate around the sketch by using the keyboard keys Q, E, W, A, D, S, and or moving around the model with a mouse. In this case, I'm going to use the mouse. There are two methods to taking PNG pictures of your sketch. The first method is by perspective, meaning you can position your camera any creative way you'd like to convey the most impact for your presentation. The second method for exporting PNGs will be ideal for straight-on orthographic views that can be used for production layouts or formalized patterning documents. Okay, cool. Let's start exporting PNGs. We just want the sketch, so we're going to make the background transparent. And once we're happy with the angles, we click the capture button. And then, make sure we're saving our PNGs to the right spots where we want them back on LandingPad. Go ahead and save here. I'm going to go ahead and capture a few more pics of the sketch. Okay, back at my files page. And now, I'm going to choose the PNGs I want for my presentation. Right-click and download files. Now that I've pulled the files from my unzip folder, I just move the PNGs to my desktop and simply drag the designs into my Photoshop file. So we've covered working all on the LandingPad webpage, where we are able to export 2D images of our 3D designs simply by opening the file, navigating around the 3D space, and choosing the right angles of the product to then use the camera tool and taking a picture to be exported as a PNG. Again, all of the assets shown in this short tutorial can be found on LandingPad and in Headset. Grab them now if you have an account, or sign up for the free account to access them and try this workflow yourself.